Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Aurora, local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance relocations require more rigorous preparation than local moves because they cover 50 miles. 3 Movers complies with your timeline and helps with drawing out a detailed plan. Although we take charge of your entire move, we work with your schedule, follow your instructions, and keep you updated. Our movers are trustworthy and cost-effective, and they're familiar with routes that go to and from Aurora, Indiana. So we know how to move your belongings to your new location quickly as possible. Our movers are also experts at handling your belongings. They sort and transport them carefully to avoid damage. We also have insurance to cover any risk during that move. Also, our long-distance moves are also very affordable. We provide you with a cost estimate at the beginning of the move, and our pricing system is transparent, and we have no hidden charges. Long-distance moves are often most stressful and costly compared to local relocations. However, we give you the cheapest rates possible at 3 Movers. Our affordable rates do not affect the quality of our work. Our local moving services are fast, efficient, and adequate, and our customer service is the best you can get anywhere. Locals enjoy luxurious moving prices at the cheapest rates, and our local moving services cost as low as $30 to $40 an hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Aurora moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.